Welcome to Whiton Hall, a shared living experience just one block from the Ithaca Commons. Every Whiton Hall tenant has their own private lockable bedroom, and on each floor there is a communal kitchen and communal bathrooms for tenants to share. We're here today to see apartment 310, a room on the third floor. Let's head on in. Every Whiton Hall room has 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a bookcase, a full-size bed, and a desk and chair, as well as a microwave and a mini refrigerator. Each apartment has an intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. Apartment 310 has 5 large windows facing north, east, and south, letting in lots of natural light. Finally, each Whiton Hall room also has plenty of closet space. Rent for Whiton Hall apartments includes all utilities: your heat, water, trash and recycling fees, electricity, even the internet. Thank you for coming on a tour of Whiton Hall 310. Call us today for availability.